All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at this beautiful Coventry Homes right here in Katy, Texas. This is the Ingleside. So it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage property. And as soon as you walk in, you're going to have that beautiful brick exterior. And as soon as you walk in the actual property, you're going to have this beautiful foyer right here with the rotunda-like ceilings with the beautiful candle-like chandelier as well. Right here, you would have your 3-car garage, but of course they have it as the sales office. So we'll take a left and you'll go into the first bedroom. So as you see, you have this beautiful accent wall right here, carpet in the bedrooms, 12-foot ceilings inside of here. You got the 2 windows on the bottom with the window grids, as well as the clear story windows is on top as well. So this is a beautiful property. So I got Perry Homes, Coventry Homes, and Toll Brothers. These are the most desired properties on this channel. So of course, I want to bring the best properties that you folks like to the channel. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to buy and sell real estate around here. So of course, if you do want more information, link in the description below. And I'd be happy to help, and consider hitting that subscribe button since I am bringing content just like this every single week. So of course, this is the study right here. You're gonna have your French doors right here. Beautiful accent wall. Let me know in the comments what you folks think about that one. But of course, you have your ceiling fan in here. It's your standard ceiling fan. Of course, you can opt for the LED ceiling fans. Those are fantastic and very popular and in demand. Then of course, you have your washer and dryer room connected to your primary closet. And then of course you have a little coat closet right here as soon as you walk in. But as soon as you walk into the great room, absolutely gorgeous. You have your 20-foot ceilings with your high windows that have the window ledge on top. Plenty of open space and open room in here for entertaining guests, and it's connected to the kitchen. So you got your nice open kitchen right here with the quartz countertops. You got your built-in stainless steel oven and built-in microwave. Nice size island right here. This is absolutely perfect. And of course, you got your breakfast area right here as well. So you got plenty of natural light coming in here. That's fantastic about a lot of these model homes and a lot of these new builds. You want to have a lot of natural light in there just to kind of add some elegance to the property. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, you got your standard ceiling fans again. Like I said, you opt in for some LED ceiling fans in here. It'll definitely change the aesthetic of the entire property, in my opinion. But of course, to each his own, right? But look how gorgeous this is. So let's go ahead and head to the primary bedroom so that way you can see what we're working with in this Coventry home. And this is the primary bedroom. Again, you got your bay windows over there. You have your carpet inside of here as well. Like I said, plenty of natural light. In my opinion, I think if you put that accent wall right there, it would look fantastic. So instead of opting for just maybe a different color palette or something like that, you add that accent wall, definitely add a nice touch to the property. And then of course, this is your primary bathroom. So you got your his and her sink right there as well. You got your nice oversized tub right here. You have your super shower right here with the nice matching backsplash. And then even right here, of course, you do have some of the standard options. But if you put a waterfall shower on the top, I think you won't regret it whatsoever. So there's some changes and modifications that you could make in here. Of course, they wanted to add the more standard options. That way you can see what it would look like. But of course, this is a beautiful property in my opinion. And like when we were entering in the property, that's where you would essentially enter from the laundry room. Okay. And then now what we'll do is let's head upstairs. So you of course you have your curved staircase. You have the carpet on top. Like I said, that's a candlelight chandelier right here coming down from the rotunda ceilings. They added the paint to it, so that way it gives it a nice aesthetic and a nice touch. And then this will be your game room right here. So as you can see, folks that are walking in right here or into the front door, it's kind of sectioned off right here in the game room on the second floor. And then this is perfect. So right there you have your tray ceilings, and inside the lip, you notice you got your LED lights that adds a nice aesthetic to it. Little media area, entertain some folks, watch the football games, or just have a nice movie night, play some pool over here as well. And then you'll have your two other bedrooms over here. So like I said, for a total of 4 bedrooms in this property. This will be your first one right here. So you have nice size rooms in here. Of course, you have that door right there for easy access to the attic. Maybe store some Halloween decorations and Christmas decorations and things like that. But let me know, what you folks think about the carpet. Would you keep the carpet in here? Would you take it out? Nice size closet right there as well. And like I said, Coventry Homes, they have so many floor plans just like Perry does and Toll Brothers and things like that. So if you need more square footage or something like that, they definitely have you covered. But you have your shower and tub combo right there. And you have your white cabinetry right there as well. And this would be the 4th and final bedroom. So in this one, you have 2,898 square feet. So this kind of gives you a basis of this one. This could be perfect for, a smaller family or even growing family. But, being a little less than 3,000 square feet, it just kind of gives you a basis of the space in here. But I think, it definitely feels pretty roomy in my opinion inside of here compared to some of the other 2,800 square feet properties. Gives it a nice illusion of a lot of room. And of course, this would be downstairs as you're seeing right here. And then I'll even show you over this way as well. But with the 20-foot ceilings, I always mention it definitely adds the illusion of having a lot more room, especially when you're entertaining folks and things like that. And of course, you have your nice little accents right there where you can just add a painting and things like that. Gives it a nice aesthetic. And then you'll even notice you have your 5-inch baseboards all along with the molding on top of it as well. Definitely adds a nice touch to it in my opinion. And then also I'll give you one more pan of the great room and the kitchen. And then what I'll do is also forgot to show you the pantry so that way you can see what we're looking like in there. So of course you have a nice sized pantry in here. Look, you got your spaghetti in there. Spaghetti actually sounds pretty good right now. Even the backsplash, I like that color tone. I think it adds a nice aesthetic to the property as well. And this one will be situated on a 40-foot lot. Open this door for y'all. And then this would be the covered backyard patio. You even got the ceiling fan on top. You have plenty of space in here. Only challenge I see with this one is when the ceilings are a little bit lower, you get kind of an echo, even with the carpet in here, or the rug rather, you still kind of have a little echo. So that's the only challenge I see with it, but you may not find that challenge pertinent to you. And then, like I said, this is a 40-foot lot. Of course, this is a model home, so some of the other inventory homes may or may not come with the options that are on this one. And this will be the back of the property. So of course, folks, that is Coventry Homes. All right, family, I hope you absolutely love that Coventry Homes. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Did you like it, dislike it? What were some things you would change? And of course, if you want more information, link in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.